How to report a vehicle obstruction via the Dubai Police app. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to report a vehicle obstruction using the Dubai Police app. Whether you're dealing with a parked vehicle blocking the road or causing any inconvenience, the app allows you to report it swiftly and efficiently. Follow along with these easy steps. 1. Download the Dubai Police app. Open the Play Store for Android users or the App Store for iOS users. In the search bar, type Dubai Police and download the official Dubai Police app to your device. 2. Open the app. Once the app is downloaded, tap on it to open. On the home screen, you'll see various service categories offered by the Dubai Police. 3. Select the Police Eye service. Look for the service called Police Eye and tap on it. This service is designed for users to report issues like traffic violations or suspicious activity. 4. Choose the traffic report option. After tapping on Police Eye, you'll be presented with 4 options. Select the option titled Traffic Reports to proceed with reporting a vehicle obstruction. 5. Select Vehicle Obstruction. Among the list of traffic-related report types, find and tap on Vehicle Obstruction. This is where you can provide details about the obstructing vehicle. 6. Provide detailed information. You will be prompted to fill in certain details, such as enter the vehicle's plate number. Make sure the information is accurate. Take a clear picture of the vehicle. Use your phone's camera to capture the vehicle and the obstruction. Scan the registration plate. The app has a feature allowing you to scan the vehicle's registration plate for accuracy. 7. Enter plate number and vehicle details. Once you proceed, you'll be asked to input additional information. Vehicle code. Select the emirate that issued the vehicle's plate. Plate number. Enter the vehicle's plate number correctly. After this, there will be an option to add an image and scan the plate once again if necessary. 8. Grant app permissions. The app may request access to your phone's microphone, camera, and storage to take photos or scan the plate. Be sure to allow these permissions for a smooth experience. 9. Submit the report. After entering all the details, tap on Report. The report will be immediately sent to the Dubai Police's traffic department, where they will review the information and take appropriate action.